Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. In today's video, I'm showing you that the most people that waste their 20s. Why? While enjoying, while walking, while doing everything what they like to do, what the things that they have enjoying, they have spent their lives, their 20s in that thing. Now, as I am Ramin Ali, a video editor, a freelance video editor who wanted to become uh, that person where he can support his family, where he can do everything related to financially independent that I wanted to become. And in today's video, that most people invest their 20s, but they don't do the things that which they're supposed to do. And we think that we have a lot of time. We think that if the day today has been has passed, so we will make tomorrow video. We will do tomorrow work. We will do that thing tomorrow. The day will come after that, which we will follow it and will do everything. But the thing that which you are saying to yourself that I have spent myself as well about the 3 years that I have told myself that if I had not did the things today, I will do tomorrow. If I have not spent the things time on today that I will do tomorrow. The only 2 months have on 2025 that it will finish, and the 2026 will come to you, and now it's your life, and how you will spend it all depend on you, and how you will choose your life to spend the time, spend the life, and it all will be all depend on yourself. Because if we think that our parents are elder and they are going in their old age, and they have not things so that they can give us, now it's time, our time to give them back these things that which they have did everything for ourselves, but we are spending our time, wasting our time in these the most best ever, that which are most bad things, that which is not taking care in our life, which is not doing the best things for ourselves, which is not take, even we are not taking benefit from it, like wasting time going outside, and if the people are going everywhere. Now let's suppose the one thing I always think that if they are doing their thing, why I'm doing this thing while enjoying with them, while going outside with them, so that I can also can go. But I always choose to do that thing which will be different in my family, which will be unique. That who had did this thing, perform this thing. That is Thamin, that who had did this thing, and he had a strong vision. He has a very separate mindset, strong mindset from all our family members, and this is the mindset that which you all need to spend your time. Now you just what you can. Now if you think that I have 2 hours that I can give to anything, only anything, choose a skill and start practicing, start learning it. How you can just spend 1 to 2 hours. If you think that 2 hours will be worth just 1 hour, what, just go on the YouTube and you can just tell them that I want to learn this is kind of a skill, that tell me how I can learn this skill, and what the things that which will you recommend me to learn in before 2025, and he will tell you everything basic, and there are a lot of tutorial that which you can watch on YouTube. By as I am learning, even I am a video editor, I have alhamdulillah earned a lot of money, but still I am progressing, trying to progressing myself, but I'm not reach on that thing where I want to be, see myself, where I take my spiritual responsibility of my family, that where I want to see them, where I want to reach them. That means why, where you maybe know about it, that in a one family, that a one boy must be that who ever change the way of family, ever the way of families structure, that is everything, and that's why I wanna be in one day, and one it all depend on us. That now October has already gone, now November, December, these are the 2 months that if you start learning with in these 2 months, that means you will be better in 2025, and means you will enter with the best version of your life in 2026. And that's what I want to tell you, that don't waste your time on extravagant things, that which even you think that this thing I'm doing but not getting any profitable, even I'm not doing the things that which will be better for me, which will be important for me, that which can help me in my life, so that I can must perform them, and I must do the thing that which my parents like, and which will be better for me, that which I like to do in these things, that in whatever you are doing the working, if you are thinking that whenever I do this kind of work, I don't watch time, I don't care about anyone, I don't see anyone, just your attention on that thing, that means that will be your passion. As I am recording this video and editing this, because of I spend hours of hours only on editing, because this is the thing that which I like to do, and still I am doing study. But in today's, there is a technology that which you must have to take the advantage of technology, because this is the 2025 will be end, and the 2026 will be most modern world in the technology, in the era of technology. So you need to know about the technology, chat gpt. Also you can use the tools, ai tool, that which can help you in your learning, in your work, that what you wanted to do, just make your friend that whatever you wanted to be, and he will, it will tell you everything that what you supposed to do. And this is a video that which I just wanted to tell you, that you must follow the things that which is working in today's, and now this is the end of 2025. This is only 2 months. If you wanted to do something, you can, and it all depend on you. I am just making content and telling you, now it's all uh, depend on you, that will you act on it or not, and that's what I wanted to do. Subscribe.